Mechanical keyboards are surging in popularity because of their precision, tactile feedback, and durability. Quality's also essential when choosing a staple gun for upholstery. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, furniture restorer, or professional upholsterer.
List number 1. Mite MT7116LN Pneumatic Upholstery Stapler, 22 gauge. The Mite MT7116LN is a professional-grade pneumatic upholstery stapler designed for speed, precision, and long-lasting performance. Built with a lightweight aluminum housing, it's ideal for extended use without fatigue, a must-have for upholsterers tackling large furniture or auto interior projects. This stapler uses 22-gauge 71 series staples, 3/8-inch crown, ensuring clean, tight fastening without damaging delicate fabrics. The long nose design offers excellent reach into corners, crevices, and tight spaces, making it perfect for detailed upholstery work. Powered by air, the MT7116LN delivers consistent stapling force with minimal recoil, ensuring every staple sits flush for a professional finish. It also features a quick-release magazine for easy reloading and a 360-degree adjustable exhaust that directs air away from your workspace.
List number 2. Aero Electric Staple Gun Kit. Corded stapler with 3,750 staples. The Aero Electric Staple Gun Kit is a fantastic all-in-one solution for homeowners and DIY upholsterers. Featuring a corded electric design, it provides steady power without worrying about battery life or air compressors. Its ergonomic grip and lightweight frame reduce hand strain, making it ideal for long upholstery projects. The kit includes 3,750 staples, so you can start working right out of the box. The dual functionality supports both staples and brad nails, adding versatility for furniture, fabric, and even light woodworking. A standout feature is the trigger safety lock and contact safety mechanism, preventing accidental firing, an essential touch for safety-conscious users. The quick load magazine also ensures fast staple changes, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient.
List number 3. Aero Pneumatic Staple Gun, Oil-Free Upholstery Stapler. The Aero PT50 oil-free pneumatic staple gun combines power and convenience in one efficient tool. Engineered for professional-grade performance, this stapler drives T50 heavy-duty staples with precision, making it excellent for upholstery, insulation, and general repairs. Unlike traditional pneumatic tools, it's oil-free, meaning less maintenance and cleaner operation, perfect for those who prefer low-hassle tools. The lightweight aluminum body and comfort grip handle minimize fatigue during long projects, while the adjustable exhaust cover lets you control airflow direction. It also features a quick-release magazine for fast reloading and a contact safety trigger to prevent accidental firing. The bump fire mechanism is great for high-speed stapling, making it efficient for professional upholsterers.
List number 4. DeWalt Staple Gun Carbon Fiber Body. The DeWalt Carbon Fiber Staple Gun DWHT80276 stands out with its innovative carbon fiber composite body, which is 50% lighter than traditional metal tools. This makes it one of the most comfortable manual staplers available, especially for long or repetitive projects. The tool supports T50 staples and features easy squeeze technology, reducing the effort needed to drive staples into materials. Its integrated cable tacker design is also ideal for low-voltage wiring, making it a versatile option for upholstery, home repair, and light construction work. DeWalt adds durability and reliability with heavy-duty internal components, ensuring this gun can handle constant use without jamming. The bottom loading magazine and anti-jam mechanism streamline your workflow, minimizing downtime.
List number 5. Schall Staple Gun Heavy Duty. The Schall Heavy Duty Staple Gun is an affordable yet powerful manual tool suitable for various home and upholstery tasks. Built from high-strength steel, it offers impressive durability and stability. It supports D-type, U-type, and T-type staples, providing flexibility for different materials, such as fabric, leather, and wood. A major highlight is its adjustable power knob, allowing users to customize stapling depth, a great feature when working with delicate upholstery fabrics. The ergonomic anti-slip handle ensures comfort during long use, while the quick jam clear mechanism makes it easy to keep your project moving without frustration. The set often includes multiple staple sizes, making it ready for immediate use right out of the box. It's fully mechanical, requiring no cords or air compressors, ideal for mobile or on-site projects.